27 signs make any girl fall in love with you. Do you want to make your dream girl fall in love with you? Here are a few ways that can help you. Make any girl fall in love with you is showing you how to kick things up and make any girl fall in love with you. Watch this video to the end and learn 27 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. Understand her. One of the ways in which a girl can fall in love with you is to understand them. It means being eager to understand her and listening to her deeply. Not using her verbal words in a way that can talk about you. It means avoiding turning everything into a debate and seeing intellectual reasoning as the only way. There is such a thing as female intelligence. It flies in the face of the logic that most of us have grown up with. Allow both for what you value. It also means accepting both sides of every issue. Men and women react in opposite ways to many things. Understanding women requires research. This means that you cannot live your life half asleep. It wants to connect positively with women in all walks of life. Number 2. Create intimate opportunities. Often intimate moments are not the same as sex, but moments when you actually focus on each other personally. Studies showed that by looking into each other's eyes and answering deep personal questions, you're able to fall in love with someone. Look for opportunities to look into each other's eyes for a few seconds or minutes to establish a close relationship. Use intimate conversation initiators when you have dinner or hang out on the couch. Number 3. Give her priority. Most women appreciate feeling like the most important person in your life, at least for the majority. Giving her priority does not mean ignoring all her friends and family or yourself. It means finding opportunities to put her needs, desires, or feelings beyond your needs. Showing this selflessness will let her know that she is really important to you and is a sign that one day you will be a great parent if you decide to have children. Number 4. Show appropriate affection. You can show affection in a relationship in many different ways, from embracing it to carrying packages. Getting to know her better will help you decide what kind of love is right for you to help her feel loved. Number 5. Be open with emotions. In order for you to truly love, a woman must know who you are at your core. If you want her to fall in love with you, you have to take some risks personally and be open with your feelings. When a woman knows and understands how you feel in different situations, she will feel that she has a connection with your suit. Number 6. Give sincere compliments. Give sincere compliments designed to make your loved one feel special. Identify a new outfit or an admirable new haircut. Appreciate her work, her quest for something new, and the things you sincerely like about her. Do not overdo it. Keep compliments short but genuine. Number 7. Surprise her once. The adventure and excitement of a relationship is important to women. It keeps the relationship dynamic. When you create memorable dates or bring her fun surprises, make sure they are safety surprises that do not push her beyond her comfort zone or push you beyond your place. Number 8. Find out what women want in a man. What a woman needs in a man is a man who has the courage to defend what is right and true. A man who takes responsibility for his thoughts, feelings, and actions. Women want a boy who works to communicate with dignity and humility. She wants a man who wants to grow, who is forgiving and humble enough to serve. She wants a man who knows her and his worth, who sees the big picture and the intricate details. Number 9. Send a sweet message. What you say in person or via SMS can help a girl fall in love with you. Share your thoughts and tell her sweet things from time to time so that it feels genuine and not conspiratorial. Everything can go a long way. From the funny love notes on the kitchen counter to the simple, think about yourself text. Number 10. Give her gifts regularly. A thoughtful gift girl who shows that you are listening or knows who she is will help you fall in love with her. Offering extensive gifts will always be as effective as giving away great gifts during the holidays and at random times throughout the year. From romantic gift ideas for her to sending flowers. Occasional symbols of love and gifts are part of the romantic equation. Number 11. Make her feel appreciated. Make her feel that her existence is important and that her presence in your life is a gift from God. Appreciate her for who she is and what she is for, and finally, how much she is valued as a person and as a woman. Number 12. Let your sense of humor win her heart. Even if you are not very good at it, try to make her smile. Another way a girl has a heart attack is to make her laugh out loud, reminding her that the world can be cruel sometimes, but there are things to laugh about and laugh at. Be the one to bring these reminders, and she will surely remember you for that. So what is the number one thing you can do to make sure a girl is having fun when you are together? Be a fun person. Yeah, we know this whole episode is just one stupid joke, but that's the point. Girls like a guy who makes them laugh. And not just because every moment she spends with him is a fun surprise. Laughter releases a good chemical called dopamine into our brains that literally hacks her brain when you make a girl laugh. Tell jokes about both good and bad while staying in the fun zone, sharpen your sense of humor, and be the fun-loving guy who loves to be with every girl. Number 13, your best style. Women want to be seen with a man who is proud of his looks. So keep your men's wardrobe in order. Not all women fall in love with one style, so shoot for the best version of your style. Number 14, be faithful. If you want a woman to fall in love with you, it is essential to be faithful to her. Have a conversation about the platform on which your relationship exists and the expectations of being unique. If her intention is that you should not date or date other women, do not do such things. Your ability to focus on her even when you are distracted shows that you value her love. Number 15, respect her space and know her limits. The important thing to remember here is your feelings towards her do not give her the right to force you to like her. Similarly, you should always see her as someone who deserves love and respect instead of seeing her as an object to be possessed. Number 16, prove to her that you can be a good friend. Great relationships always start with a good friendship. Prove to her that your intentions are pure and that having a romantic relationship with her is not your only ultimate goal. To be there for her when she needs someone to trust. Number 17, be confident and enthusiastic. Women do not want to have relationships with insecure men who need constant care. So be confident about who you are and what you do. There is a fine line between confidence and pride, so walk lightly. One way to show confidence is through your desires. Seeing that you have a passion for your life and hobbies. It seems that there may be a passion between the two of you. Number 18, be a good and honest listener. Listen to her thoughts and be interested in her stories. Be a good listener and show her that you care about how she feels. This is also one way to get to know her better, to find the real person behind that sweet smile, the soul behind those soft eyes. Number 19, never lie to her or pretend to be someone you are not. Do not break her trust by pretending not to be you. Being yourself is a good way to show her that your intentions are good and clean. Lying, cheating, pretense. These are just some of the things you should not trust, especially if you want someone to love you. Number 20, show her that you are the love of her life. If you know that you are in love with a woman and she wants to feel the same way, then understanding how to get the love you want will help you to have a loving relationship with the woman of your dreams. Making a girl fall in love with you deeply and passionately is not a matter of empowerment. It is about being your best version and understanding how it excites her life. Number 21, lighten her weight. Modern women carry a heavy burden between working full-time, cooking and taking care of home and family. You can show her that you want to take care of her by finding ways to lighten her weight without expecting any motivation or benefit from her. Women are traditionally guardians and they like to be cared for. Number 22, respect her as an equal. In today's world, men and women have more responsibilities than ever before. No matter who makes the most money from the relationship or who works the most, give her the respect she deserves, and then she will fall in love with you. You can honor her role in your relationship by acknowledging its importance as an honor to her role at work or anything else related to her. Number 23, make future plans. Women love the stability of relationships, so planning for the future when appropriate will help her fall in love with you. Everything from planning a vacation together next year to talking about your future goals individually will help her feel secure in your relationship. Number 24, find reasons to touch her. So when you are on a date, start with a light touch first. If she is in you, it will give her butterflies. It's a great way to have sex because girls want a physical relationship with their partner based on an emotional connection. Further in a relationship, because let's face it, the back grind is fantastic. The same goes for foot rubs. Enjoying a man's protective touch is a normal biological impulse for women. Wrap your arms or hands around her when you go out and when it's cold. Pull her to your lap. When you hug her, lift her up and turn her around. Number 25. Love her every day of your life. Once you finally get the long-awaited yes, celebrate. However, keep in mind that ending a relationship takes a lot of work and is a longer, more challenging process. Do not waste your opportunity. Prove to her that she made the right choice. Bonding in love should be a pure, genuine, and effortless feeling. There are many ways to impress a girl, but only a few can win her heart. Make sure you follow the advice that makes her feel appreciated, and most importantly, respected. Finally, you should always remember that the need to express your feelings never goes beyond her right to choose how she responds to your wishes. Let her fall for you because she knows deeply that she loves you. Number 26. Accept her as she is. The main way a woman falls in love is when she knows she can be around you. Avoiding lowering and reminding her from time to time why you love her special flair helps her to feel comfortable with who she is. There may be things you like to see her do for her well-being and your relationship, but letting her know that you take the good with the bad helps her feel loved. Number 27. Get busy. Look, guys, before you think about how a girl loves you, you have to love yourself first. The most successful way to do that is to be a man. I always wanted to be. And how do you do that? Keep busy. Learn and try as many things as possible, because by trying new things and not being afraid to fail many of them, you will find what you really enjoy by your limitations, strengths, and weaknesses, and your spending. On time. In other words, to see boys who know how to do what girls like.